You want to learn how to censor faces and moving objects just like this? I'm going to teach you. So come to your Premiere Pro, you drag and drop your clip into your timeline, and this is a moving object. So what you have to do is, since it's a moving object and would like to track it being censored, what you have to do is to take it to the beginning of the footage or the beginning of your video clip. So once it's at the beginning of your video clip, what you have to do next is to come here and come to your effect here and look for Mosaic. Look for Mosaic. So this is Mosaic. You can drag and drop it into your clip. So once you've dropped it into your clip, you go to your Mosaic. I think from 2014, 2013, 2014 downwards, I think there is like a masking tool here, but as you can see, this is like an updated version. So what you have to do, since the pen tool or masking tool isn't beneath the Mosaic, what you have to do, just turn this off for the moment. Then you come here to, you can select this ellipse max tool here. So once you've selected it, you can draw the place you would like to get censored, or max out the place you would like to be, to be blurred, to be pixelated here. So once you've marked there, what you need to do next is to drag this your ellipse max you've created here, and you drag it down to the area of this your mosaic effect. So once you've dragged it down, what you have to do next is to just turn it on. So and once you've turned it on, let's just click out of the max. Let's just click out of the distance, so you can see it is already pixelated. You can add some feathers to smoothen the edges. You can, if you find out that the positioning of it, you don't still like it, you can click on the max, then you can drag it to wherever you feel you want it to get position or to get seated at. So since it's a moving object, what you have to do next is to max it, is to track the maxing. For you to track the maxing, is to come here, this track selected max forward. That's what you have to do, is just to press it and wait for it to load finish. And once it's done loading, this is what it's going to give you.